Beacon Technology provides educators technology solutions that are custom for what their needs are in each individual school. And they are reliable to provide you different options to look at to make good decisions.
They're obviously cognizant to a limited budget for the school system. Everybody knows the money is always never there for the schools. So they're always looking for ways that will help us, that will benefit us, to let that dollar go further.
On our project, they actually really helped us from making what I feel would have been a costly mistake. At one point, we were looking at putting LCD TVs in every classroom as the central piece of the classroom with whiteboards around them that you would remote to the desktop. And in talking to Beacon, we realized from a cost perspective that was a bit much, and it wasn't nimble. There was only a limited amount of things you could do with an LCD TV in the middle of your classroom and whiteboards on the sides, which then really directed us to the Promethean board, which is an interactive whiteboard. And you know, we at one point were getting ready to put TV screens in, TVs in every single room like this, and instead we now have an overhead projector that can act as a TV. We can pump in student broadcast into every classroom. We have independent sound hooked to every single projector, and we have interactive whiteboards that we can utilize. And they recommended, which was a great idea, for the classes that we couldn't fully outfit with the interactive whiteboards, we went ahead and put the data ports and the outlets behind where they will go when we install them. So they really helped us set up for growth, but also helped us push back against some of our initial ideas that in hindsight we see would have been a very costly mistake if we'd have gone forward with it.
As a technology partner, Beacon has had to do the same thing we have. It's adapt and build on that technology capabilities and those technologies that are used. They've been really good working with us to become providers of technologies that we may not have had avenues to obtain before. So they're always looking to make sure their customer base is well provided with the products they need to make their business successful. So it's been a really good venture on that aspect.
In the middle of the day when something goes wrong or something goes down or a computer quits working or something happens, you don't have a lot of time to wait for things to get fixed because you have 500 kids running around and you got to get things fixed now. We wanted to have a company that when we had a need, we could call them and they could come and take care of it right away.